Alright, boss. Trash the ticket out.
Well done. But is the target dead?
Nuh-uh.
Good. Because we need him alive. He may know a few things that might be of interest to us. I'll send some men over to break him, and then we'll see what he squawks out.
Alright, but first, what did they promise me?
Hold on there. You still need to get the answers out of him and report them to me. Do the job right, and I'll give you 100 million.
Alright, let's see what I can do.
Okay, we got a call from the big boss. Where's it at?
It's just over there. Shouldn't take too long.
Okay, let's get this party started.
Where am I?
Hello there, Mr. James. I heard you had some important information for us.
What information? I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't play dumb. We know that you know about the birds.
What birds? Those things aren't birds. They're lies.
Well, I know that you're not letting on everything you know, cowboy.
Well, partner, if you know what I know, then we all know, so there's nothing else for us to really know.
Well, all I know is that your fate is sealed.
Big Boss didn't say how alive he had to be, did he?
Come on, is he on the ground?
Hit me.
Why are you hitting me?
Alright, well, it seems like my money would be better used being chucked into a furnace compared to what you idiots are doing. Did you actually get some information out of him?
Alright. Yeah, I told Neubauer I made the 50 mil. I'll get it as soon as possible. Yeah, it was a pretty easy job, I gotta lie. Like,
Gotta find Jameson, come on!
oh, I gotta go.